What's going on, guys? Psychocephaloid here, and I have a cool glitch for you guys in the Beyblade Burst app. If you actually look, this only works with, you can only technically get this glitch with Lost Genius, but it's a tornado glitch, so it doesn't really break your opponent, it's just a cool thing. So basically what the glitch does is, as you can see, the tornado spirals around in the middle of the battle, and here I got my Blast Genius. Stock combo, we got 5 G Blast Genius characters. So I'm gonna do a quick battle. And it even does it there. It's so cool. So we got, let's do you. And you know what I don't get? How Grams is now a switch fire thing, because it's on Netflix. Needle, and yeah. Oh, shout out to my brother, Player 52, and Psycho Combustion. Oh, and if you look, you can even see the top of it. So shout out to them. I will be making a video. By the way, this is on my phone because I don't actually delete it, but I guess it's just to get too much storage. See, we got the tornado in the middle, and I know you wonder, guys. Well, what if I do the tornado move? Will it end? So, too late. Actually, it doesn't. It just, see, look. It still goes. So, I'm just gonna do this battle for you guys. So good. So, once I do this, I'll show you guys my Beyblade. And this is the, I have 3 launchers. I prefer the red one just because red's my color, dog. So, perfect launch. Here we go. Automatic move. Ah, too late. I hate when it does that. The move doesn't even do... Oh, well, it doesn't seem like it does any damage. Let's do that move. See, look. Oh, ultimate defense. Attack. Ah, too late, dang it. I just love Blast Genius. It's super cool. You see that? It's spiraling in the air. Oh, if I do one more special move, I could burst it. No, bro! I was so close. Well, I have, like, a lot of attack, so... Oh, if I get that one orb, I can burst it. Burst. Yes!
Yeah, guys!
Perfect.
Oh, that's really cool.
Boom! Burst. That's just, my brother, Player 52. See, look. Mini slow-mo tornado. That's awesome.
Sick.
Shush. Dude, it said be quiet, and I'm recording. So I won. See, look. Even when you're launching... I just think that's so cool. Let's do the outside this time.
We're gonna go see stars and maybe we're gonna have...
That's just my annoying sister. Don't mind her. Oh, and don't subscribe to her. She's weird.
I tried to call him 30 times and he never answered.
Never.
Probably not.
Oh, snap. Oh, snap.
No.
Holy shnikers.
Started on her. Yeah.
Ah! Too early. All I need to do is get a stamina finish or survivor. I just call it stamina. Defense. Ooh, spice. Boom.
I put some center on
And look, it even does it here, see? Ah, it's so cool. You got an awesome tornado.
today.
I don't think it does it with the other moves because, yeah, time to show you my stuff. So we got Blast Genius. We got a Legend Spryzen here. Stock combos, all stock. I leave them. Oh yeah, we got Platinum Excalius. Platinum, dope. We got a Crusher Doomsizer. That little sickle there. I don't have. Oh yeah, I have that super sick red one. But you know, I'm just going with the blue one. Then we got. Oh yeah. We got Surge Excalius. I don't think I can change. Oh, there's a shiny red one. It's cool. So we got Berserk Raknivore here. And then we got Valkyrie, Valtryek, whatever you want to call it. I can switch the color to actually 3 different ones. And we got Drain Fafnir, or Fafnir. I call it Fafnir. Then we got Tempest Wyvern. I don't think we can. No, not yet. Atomic Driver, no. We got Kanox. It's not really a god one, but technically, according to the anime, it is. We got Luminor, L2, boys. Yeah, Anubion. We got Satum. Kinetic Satum. It's so weird. Then we got Alter Cognite. I don't really like this version. I want the yellow one, but, you know, at least I got it. At least. So, that's it for this video, guys. So, yeah, that's the tornado hack. And I will be doing more of these because I did enter the tournament before, but I got disqualified because my game on here is so glitchy that I forget which guy it was, but a certain guy, which is like it holds you into position, like where with like Satum, it'll like grab you with the claw, or like with Yegdrion, if I can find him. Yes, Yegdrion. With his special move, it's where it grabs it with all the roots and then it smashes. It's like that, but I got stuck there and I couldn't move. So yeah, that's the Blast Genius battle hack. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.